everybody, it's Chevy with Daily City Rec, and today we're going to do an easy acrylic daisy painting. What you'll need for this painting is a canvas, some paintbrushes, your paints, yellow and white, and some green. And for the background color, you can pick whatever color you'd like. First, we're going to start with a background color. I'll be making pink. You can choose any color you like. The next step we're going to do is we're going to start drawing the stems for our flowers. Now I want you to grab either a pen or a pencil. After the painting has dried, start drawing circles where you want your daisy centers to be. Now with your white paint, go ahead and put it in the little well and mix it with just a little bit of yellow. Now that you got a hard-boiled egg color, go ahead and put some of it in another well so we can make it brighter with more white. Now with the lighter shade of the two, go ahead and start making petals for your daisy. Now with a smaller brush, use the slightly darker egg color. Now with a smaller brush, we're going to use pure white and start highlighting the daisies. Now with bright yellow, start doing the center of your daisies. To add more depth to the green parts of the painting, we're going to add just a little bit of black to the original green. Only use a drop or two because it might become too dark. Now with a bit of light green, go ahead and blend it with just a bit of the green we just used so we can make leaves. I hope you had fun with this daisy painting, and I'll see you in the next video.